morning class, myself Pallavi Anand, and today we are in a session of standard 4 science. The chapter which will be focused today is the same chapter, that is safety first. As you are knowing that we are just going through this pandemic right now that corona, we have to perform so many safety issues, that we have to wear mask, we have to use sanitizer, we have to take the bath after every visit to the outside, we have to take the PP kits, all the safety things we are taking now. Why? For as a precaution. These safeties are very much essential to keep ourselves very healthy and safe from the diseases or safe from the accident. So safety is very important in our life. Safety is the most important thing for the everyone. So we have to take the n numbers of safety in our daily life. As we are going outside, we should take safety, that we have to not come in contact of car, we should not come in contact of an accident, we cannot meet an accident, we cannot meet animals. These type of safety we have to take care. At home also we have to take care of many safeties, that we are walking, we cannot walk running, if we fell it will break our bones, we cannot touch the fire, we cannot touch the socket. There are so many safety issues we have to maintain. Nowadays coronavirus is going on, the time of pandemic is going on, you are also performing so many safety things, isn't? You used to wear mask at home, you used to wear the sanitizer at every time, you used to wear the full dresses, you used to clean the space, clean the surroundings, clean the areas. You are not using the same clothes twice a day, we are just eating the hot food, hot meals, okay, to increase our immunity. We used to have vitamin C. These are the safety precautions we are taking nowadays to prevent the effect of coronavirus. Same, these are the some of the safety things we have to follow in our day-to-day life to avoid the accident. We have to follow the safety rules to not to meet with an accident. So this is basically to be followed by the small children, kids, students, okay, because they are so interesting to go here and there, they are so interested to move, they are so interested to walk, at their playing mood they are in always, okay. So with the mood of playing, with a very jolly mood, children also have to keep in mind that they also have to keep themselves very safe. For those safety, they have to perform some safety rules which we'll discuss now. The first safety rules at home. The first we will discuss about the safety rule at our home. So as we are at home nowadays, due to the pandemic, we are not going to the schools. We are not going to schools. We are remaining at home. We have lots of anything to do. After that, behind our studies, we are playing at home. We are dancing, singing. We are doing n numbers of activities at home. By doing those things, we should also keep ourselves safe. We should accept some precaution also to keep ourselves very safe and secure. So at safety at our home means we should do the things, we should perform our activity by keeping the safety of ourselves in mind. First one is, as you are seeing here the picture, a child is touching the socket. So at home, first is fall, first is touching the electric shock. At home, we should keep in mind that we should not play with any electrical appliance. Playing with an electrical appliance is very harmful for us. It may cause short circuit, it may give current to you. So we should not come in contact with any type of electrical appliance, those who are connected with the socket. And parents also have to keep the safety, that they have to cover the socket with the cover. Socket cover is coming nowadays in a market. We should cover, if it is not available, we should cover the socket with the sellotape. And also the children not have any chance to come with the socket or electric appliance. We have to check the appliance whether the current is passing. current, there is a leakage with the where we are getting the current. So we, the parents and the children, both have the much follow the safety at home with the electric appliance. Second one, you can see a children with the chemical equipments here. So it is our second thing, that at home the children are playing, it's very good. Children are doing the activity, good. But children must not come in the contact with the phenyl, detergent, those things, those who affect them. Suppose detergent come into their eyes, it may affect their eyes, or the phenyl we used to just wash our floor nowadays. So we should not come in contact with the phenyl, detergent, etc. So it is very important for us that we should not come in contact with the any type of chemicals at home. Third number is the C. A child is falling from the stairs, isn't? In this case, what you can understand, we must not run at our home. We have to walk, we have to go. Sometimes we are in rush, but we should keep in mind that we should not run on the stair, basically on the stairs, because if you will fall from the stair, it will harm your body so much. So we should take off, when we are going up, or when we are going down, we should take a special precaution. We should catch the handle and we should walk very slowly on the stairs. We never used to run. We never used to run on the floor, simply running here and there. No, that is very bad. That is not come under the safety at home, because suppose if there are water fallen on the floor, if you will run, you may sleep there, okay, and you may get hurt. So safety at home means we should not run at home. We should walk very properly. See here how badly he fallen from the stair. He was running on the stair and he has fallen. Okay, so we should keep in mind that if we will run, if we will smash with the things at home, if our leg got slipped, what will happen? We will fall and it will get hurt at our body. So we should not run. Fourth one, you can see at children are playing with fires. That is the worst. We should never play with the fires. If you are seeing that if somebody is playing with the fire, we should inform their parents that your children is playing with fire. Sometimes you are seeing mother is cooking at home. You are going and touch the things which are very hot. You can feel the hotness at your hand, isn't? You get the redness, you get the boils at your hand. So we should never touch the hot and fire. We should never touch, we should never play with the fires, we should never touch the fire. At home, if we are sometimes we are alone, we should never play with. Your mother, your father is providing so many things to play. You just play, you just create things, you should just create the creativity. You can go through the best out of the west. Many things to do at home nowadays. Please be careful. Don't play with the fires. Don't play with the chemicals at your home. Don't play with the electric socket, electric appliance. Don't run at your home. So these are the safety we should follow at our home to keep ourselves very safe. This chapter is very important for nowadays, because we are living at home and we have no other place to go. We are not going anywhere. We are remaining at our home. And remaining at home is a great boredom. I know you are getting bored, but please kindly don't play with these things, with the socket. Don't play with the phenyl, with the detergent, with the naphthalene balls you are having at your home, that phenyl goli white color. Never play with those things, because it may cause a great accident. So please don't play with these things. Secondly, we will discuss about the safety at road. Safety at road. As we are going to school, when the pandemic will over, you will come to school. You are going to market, you are going to tuition classes, you are going several places to your friend's place. So what to do? At this place, never go in rush. You can wait for a minute. Time can wait, but accident don't wait for anybody. So never go anywhere in rush. You should always walk on the footpath. if you are going, you have gone for the friend place, if you have gone to the garden, to the playground, never rush here and there, never run on the road, never play on the road. There you can see here, there is a playground made, there is a empty field was there, you play at your field, you play there, never play at here and there on the roadside where the bikes are rushing, where the cycles, car are rushing. If you are playing at that place, please don't play, because it is a great opportunity for the accident to meet you. So kindly don't play on the road. Always follow the footpath you are seeing here. Footpath is there, or at every road, even at our places also you are seeing that side. Just walk on the left side of the road, at the sided part. Don't walk in between the road, because you never know that the front people is coming and is passing you. So please be at the side of the road, at the left side. Remember it, we have to walk on the left side of the road. Always we should use the footpath, we should use the zebra crossing. You can see here this man is walking at the zebra crossing. We always keep in mind the signals. When there is red, we can pass easily. When there is green, we should stop, because at the green signal it is a time for the vehicles to pass. So we should never pass at the green signal. When there is yellow, we can wait for a minute, we can wait, let the car or let the bike, let the vehicle pass, then we will pass. Or if it is very urgency to pass, we should pass only at our zebra crossing. So these are the, see, these kids are playing on the road. You can see here they are, if the car will come and smash, isn't? So they made a great accident. So we should follow these rules, safety at road. It is very important for everyone. So please don't be in rush. Take your time, travel to a place, meet your friends, but with the safety precautions. Never visit like this. Okay? The third one is safety at school. Safety at school. As the school will open, we will come to school. Now at school also we have lots many safety precautions to be followed. These are, you can see, don't fight with others at the school premises. Don't fight, start fighting with your friends, like giving and slapping and rushing and just fighting with each other. WWE you are performing here, so stop doing that. If you are doing that, you may just smash with the decks, you may smash with the corridor area, and it may hurt you. Second one, you can see, never rush to get on the bus. Never rush. Do not rush to get into the school bus. Just stand in queue. Bus will come. Bus will take you. It is not a matter that bus will leave you and go. Just stand in a queue and get in the bus. Get into the bus line by line. So never we have to rush when the bus come. We are running so fast to get in the bus first. So please don't do that. It is a very harmful for you. You can see a child is standing on the decks. It is also a very bad thing, very bad. If you are standing on a desk, sometimes decks slip and you fell down. It may hurt you, it may smash with you may get hurt on your head, blood comes out. So it is very harmful. So don't do that. You can see this one. Don't run around in the classroom. Never run around the desks, benches, tables, classroom, corridor. Never run. You may just get hurt by the corridor, by the desk, by the bench, by the blackboard. If you are smashing with the blackboard, you are smashing with the children, it may hurt you very badly. So don't do. In the next I will discuss you about the first aid and all.